and we have to find XYC. We have to find this one, okay, and XZY also. We have to find this one also. This is not given to us, and we have to find this one, and this is also not given to us. We have to find this one and this one, okay. So you can go, you have to find this one by linear pair again, or else first you find this, the triangle, this angle by angle sum property, and then you add these two, you get the value of this one also. So let I have solved two question from this size, means 12 from 2. I have solved first two question of this table. So let's see how I have solved. First of all, I have made the diagram and give the values whatever given to us, and then to find, I have written here XYC solution. XYC equals to XYC, this one is equals to how much? You maybe thought that, sir, this figure is not same as that figure that is in the book. Why? Because I am not giving the name exactly the same. I think it may be different or what. So it is major okay. It is wrong. It is wrong. So we have to find here not XYC. We have to find here XYA. Sorry, XZA. Not here. This one we have not found here. So it is wrong here. I have find XZA. So let's go. We move ahead. We have to find this. So what I write here, XZA equals to sum of angle YZXZ plus angle XZY. Y exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angles. So XZA we have to find. Okay, so we have to give the value of YXZ. YXZ, that is 40 degrees, isn't it? Plus ZXZY. XZY is how much? Oh, I have written mistake here. Sorry, it is XYZ. Sorry, it is by mistaken I have written here. You look what is the angle opposite, this two, no, not this one. Okay, by mistake I have written. So what I have written, Y X Z and X Y Z. So it is 60. Now add these two, it's 100. So the angle XZA is equals to 100. You don't need to make a table or give the answer here. So you can give like this. Okay. Second one I have solved for you also. So let's go with second number. What is given to us? I have written YXZ is 36, XYZ is 45, angle ZYC, this one is you have to find, and this one we have to find. Okay, so how I solved, first I found this one and then we add this two, okay, in this solution. So in this triangle AXYZ XYZ in triangle XYZ, angle XYZ, angle YZX, and angle ZXY or XYZ. Okay, YXZ. So it is 180 degree. How? Angle sum property of triangle. Then I give the value of each triangle. Okay, each angle. I give the value of each angle, and then I add this two, and then I take this to this side because we have to find this one. Then when plus here, when it goes this side, becomes the minus, subtraction. Okay, and when we subtract, we get 99. Now we get the one angle. Now second angle we have to find this one. So how you get X while C equals to angle YXZ plus this one. The opposite angles are interior, this one and this one. So YX Z, you have YXZ plus YZX. this one. Okay, so we give here values and we add it. Okay, and the right, not right measurement 36 and this is 99. Okay, when you add this to how much you get? 135. So this is the solution how to solve this question. Now look to question number 13. I explain you how I solve this question, first orally and then explain by written also. So look, this is a figure and we have to find x, y and z. So first of all, what I do, we can find x by linear pair, isn't it? The sum of this angle means x a c plus b a c is 180. These are the, because they are forming linear pair, that's why we can find x. When we find x, then we can find z, y also. How? By the angle sum property of triangle. And when we find y, after finding y, we have to find z also. Then there are two options. Then I will go with the first option because this is the exterior angle. We use the formula also. By formula, what is the formula? The exterior angle is equal to sum of integer opposite angle. Okay, this two, the sum of these two. When we add these two, we get the value of z. This is the solution that I have solved. So first of all, you have to make this figure here. So I have made here figure. What is given to us, I have written here. Okay, and then what we have to find, I have written in the solution. So first what I write BAC. You look where the BAC. BAC plus angle EAC. Okay, equals to 180. That is linear pair. Here x plus 180, we give the value of x plus 180, that is 180, x plus 120, that is 180. So x equals to 180 minus 120, that is 60 degrees. Now in triangle ABC, by angle sum property of triangle, we use here angle sum property of triangle. Angle ABC, ABC plus BCA plus CAB. We give the value of all these triangles. Angles, and then we add these two, and then we take this to this side. You have learned this thing in standard 6 also. When we move one a number to left hand side to right hand side, or right hand side to the left hand side like this, then the sign changes. So it becomes the minus sign here, and we subtract, we get 85, y equals to 85. Now the term of z equals to x plus 35 degree. How? Exterior angle equals to sum of interior opposite angle. You look y x z equals to x plus 35 degree. Okay, so I have written here z equals to the, I have given the value of x, that is 60 degree. Then we add here, this becomes 95. So z equals to 95. So hence we have given the value here, x equals to 60 degree, y equals to 85, and z equals to 95. This is the solution of question number 13. Now I discuss number 16 too with you. You look in your book 16 number. What is given to us here? This is the figure, and we have to find 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And also given to us that angle 3 and angle 4 are equal, and we have to find all the angles. Okay, so we can find 1 by adding this to 1, and then we can find y or 5 also by linear pair. Okay, and then when we find 1, we can find 3 and 4 also because they are equal by angle sum property. And when we find this 3 and 4, we can find 2 also. Why? When we add 1 and 4, we can get 2. So this is the what we call brain map, how to solve this question. Now I solve this question in front of you. It is solved. I will explain you how to solve this question. So let's see.